Welcome, in front of me is a POCO F4 GT, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now, here you can only insert SIM, so no SD card expansion slot. Anyway, to get started you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. And you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. Push it in. As you can see, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and here you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. Now you can occupy one of them, and it doesn't really matter which side, or you can occupy both of them if you want to. From there, pop your SIM card in, insert it back into your phone, and the cards should start working immediately. And there we go, as you can see it's telling me to verify my SIM card pin. So there we go, that is how you can insert your SIM card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.